Level 1. You're standing on a cracked sidewalk in a quiet neighborhood. Not your neighborhood. A guy you barely know hands you a cheap phone, a burner, no contacts. Just hold it, he says. You don't ask questions. You just nod. Your job is simple. Watch, wait, stay quiet. Cars pass. Nothing happens, but your heart won't slow down. You don't get paid much. $25, maybe a meal. But this isn't about money yet. It's about being seen. Tonight, they notice you. Level 2. You're walking with them now. Not behind, not ahead, beside. They test you. Small things. Carry this bag. Don't look inside. You don't. Drop it near a corner store. Walk away. No turning back. You feel it now. That pull. Fear mixed with belonging. You get a little more money, $60 this time, but you also get something else. A name. Not your real one, your new name. Level 3. They take you deeper. A small apartment, curtains closed. Everyone inside knows each other, except you. You sit quiet. They talk in code. You listen. Then they hand you something. A blade. Just in case, they say. You nod again. Later that night, someone runs. You don't chase, but you don't stop them either. That silence earns you trust. And now, you're in. Level 4. You're not just watching anymore. You're doing. Collecting money from a shop owner. Protection, they call it. The man's hands shake as he pays you. You feel powerful for the first time, but also uneasy, because now people look at you differently, not as a kid, as a threat. You earn more, $120.